Hello my dear friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can cancel Halifax credit card via online and over the phone in just some easy steps. And in the video end we will tell you how you can cancel a Halifax bank account. So let's get started. Make sure complete all steps, otherwise you will not able to cancel your Halifax credit card. All steps you can see on your screen. Friends, here are some easy steps, please note. All important links we will provide you in our video description box. Please note, if there is any outstanding balance on your Halifax credit card, you will first have to make all the payments, and until you have repaid the balance in full, your credit card account is going to remain active even if you request for its cancellation. And if your credit card account is in credit, then a credit balance can be refunded to your UK account, for which you can contact the customer support of Halifax. You will be able to have your credit card account in Halifax closed only after your account balance is zero. Method 1. Cancel your Halifax credit card over the phone. For this, you are required to dial the number 0345 944 4555 on your phone, and you will be connected to one of the customer support executives of Halifax to speak with. You can talk to the agent and let them know that you do not wish to continue your Halifax credit card and make a request for the cancellation of the same. The representative will ask you for some of your credit card details and identity verification details as well. Make sure that you have your 16-digit credit card number with you at the time of having the conversation. The agent will process your cancellation request and your Halifax credit card shall soon be terminated. Now, last question. How to cancel a Halifax bank account? If you also do not need your Halifax savings account anymore, then you can cancel it too, and this time, you can do it manually through their online portal. Just go to your Halifax account and you will see the More Actions option on the home page. Select it. Then, go to the Account Services menu and choose the Close Account menu from there. Next, you just have to follow up as directed for the process of cancelling your account, and it shall be closed right away. Hope you like your video. If you like, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit a like button. Thanks for watching this video.